My father came out of the war and worked a couple of jobs and actually started as a salesperson for a local janitor supply distributor called Van Ness Supply. Mr. Van Ness had a supply business and after a few years formed a company called National Laboratories. And interestingly enough, many of the companies that are in Toledo all either worked for Mr. Van Ness or National Laboratories at some point in their early career. Ourselves, Spartan Chemical, Canberra, Impact Products, Fresh Products, Tolco, all of the founders of those companies worked either for Mr. Van Ness or National Laboratories. That's why there are so many people in the industry in Toledo, Ohio. Actually, my dad worked for National Labs for about a year as a salesperson, and he was a classic entrepreneur. He just always wanted to do something himself. So after about a year, he left and said, I'm going to form my own janitor supply business. That would have been in about 1950. And for 3 years, he was in the janitor supply business, selling soap and chemicals and other chemicals to local bars and restaurants in the Toledo area.